Welcome friends to the meditation and pranayam session. For doing the meditation and pranayam, kindly sit in any comfortable position. Sukhasan, Padmasan, Ardha Padmasan, Yog Mudra, Vajrasan or any meditative posture are beneficial to perform the pranayam and meditation session. In case you have any trouble with your legs, you can also sit on a chair with your back firmly straight. Now very gently bring your awareness on your breathing. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra in front of your chest. Deep breathing through your nostrils. Gently concentrate your awareness on your breathing. To start the session, we'll first begin with a prayer or pratna. Both the hands in Namaskar Mudra. Please listen to the chants and try to sing along.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
Now your mind and body is ready for the practice of pranayama and meditation. Very gently unfold your hands. Bring your hands near on your thigh. You can put your hands in Gyan Mudra, Dhyan Mudra or any other mudra you are comfortable in. Eyes closed. Your eyes will remain closed throughout the session. Very gently bring your awareness again on your breathing. Try to feel the alteration in your breathing. As soon as your breaths are getting normal, we'll start the session with Kapalbhati, 60 rounds Kapalbhati. Inhale deeply and start. Exhale out and try to hold your breath for some time. Very gently straight your head. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. Deep breathing. Complete focus on the effects of Kapalbhati on your mind and body. Neck and spine straight, eyes closed. Complete focus on your breathing. Try to know the effects of Kapalbhati on your mind, on your thoughts, on your body. Complete awareness within the mind and within the body. Just be aware, be attentive on the effects of Kapalbhati. Your body is now detoxified in a state of alertness, your mind and your body. Very gently, your breathing is becoming normal. We have performed Kapalbhati to enhance the concentration of our mind, to enhance the control of our mind over our body. The next exercise is Anulom Vilom Pranayam or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. For doing Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, fold your first two fingers of your left hand and cover your left nostril with your left thumb. Very gently inhale from your right nostril. Cover your right nostril, left nostrils both, and very gently exhale from your left nostril. Again, inhale from your left nostril. Cover both the nostrils and exhale from your right nostril. This is one round. Start doing Anulom Vilom or Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. Inhale from your right nostril and exhale from your left nostril. Inhale from your left nostril and exhale from your right nostril. With each passing breath, try to increase the time of inhaling and exhale out completely. Complete focus on inhaling. Try to maximize the oxygen input to your lungs through deep breathing. Nadi Shodhan Pranayam is very beneficial for your heart and your mind. It instantly enhances your concentration. As deep as you can inhale, fill your lungs with fresh air and exhale from opposite. Inhale and exhale. With each passing breath, try to increase the quantity of oxygen or air you are inhaling. Try to minimize the sound you are producing. As slow as you can do. Enjoy deep breathing. Complete concentration on your nostrils, on the incoming and outgoing of pranavayu through your nostrils. Deep breathing and exhale out completely. Deep breathing and exhale out completely. Deep breathing, exhale out completely. After completion of this round, relax both the hands either in Gyan Mudra or Dhyan Mudra. Complete focus on your nostrils. Try to know the effects of Anulom Vilom Pranayam on your mind and on your body. Let the breathing be normal. Just observe the effects of Anulom Vilom on your mind, on your body. Complete concentration on your forehead, between your eyebrows, or on your breathing. Meditate or concentrate either on your breathing or between your forehead. For next few seconds, meditate either on your breathing or on your forehead. Okay, you are now completely focused in a state of concentration, your mind and body. To enhance this awareness, this concentration, we'll perform the practice of Bhramari Pranayam. We'll perform 5 rounds of Bhramari Pranayam, but for this you are not supposed to cover your ears and your eyes with your fingers. It is just simply Bhramari Pranayam का अभ्यास करेंगे. 5 rounds of Bhramari. Inhale deeply Final round, inhale. Relax. Both the hands either in Gyan Mudra or Dhyan Mudra or any mudra you are comfortable in. Focus inside your skull. For next 1 minute, meditate at the center of your brain inside your skull. Once again, focus back on your breathing. Again, feel the incoming and outgoing of pranavayu through your nostrils. Try to observe the effects of Bhramri inside your skull, on your mind. Once again, we'll practice Bhramri. Now this time, we'll cover our ears with our thumbs and cover our eyes and face with our fingers. Please cover your ears with your thumbs, fingers on your face. Once again, 5 rounds of Bhramri. Start. Inhale. Inhale. Again, inhale. Final round, inhale. Relax. Both the hands either in Gyan Mudra or Dhyan Mudra or any mudra you are comfortable in. Okay, both the hands again in Gyan Mudra or Dhyan Mudra. Complete focus at the center of your brain or between your eyebrows on your forehead. For next few seconds, meditate again on your third eye or on your pineal gland. Feel the vibration from within the brain, the mind. For next 1 minute, meditate on your third eye right now. Okay, the mind is now focused. The frequency of thoughts has reduced substantially. In a state of union, in a state of yoga, your mind, body, and soul. Now we are moving towards the completion of the session. Please concentrate between your eyebrows. We'll finish the session with 5 rounds Om chanting. Together, inhale. Relax. Sit straight. Feel thankful towards each and everything. Feel thankful towards the God for creating you. Feel thankful towards your mind and body. And listen to the Shanti part together and try to sing along.
सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्।
Okay, you can sit in meditation if you want. Whenever you are comfortable, rub your hands. With your palm, feel the warmth of your palm flowing to your eyes, to your face, and very, very slowly open up your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. Now, inhale and thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed the meditation session.